Hi friends, this video shows how to make text bold. Go to settings, select all settings from top right corner. Go down, select accessibility. Go down, here you can see bold text. So right now this option has been disabled. Let me enable. See. Let me go back and check, see. So this way we can enable bold text. So let me disable. So if you want to scale text, you can use this text scaling. Here you can see 4 options: small, default, large and largest. Let me go to largest, see. So this way we can scale text. Let me go to small. Okay. So you can try these 2 options, bold text and text scaling. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.